Lesson 17. Homophones. In English, there are many words that sound quite similar or have very little difference in their spellings but have very different meanings. Such words are called homophones. 1. Allowed, to permit, you are not allowed to enter the class. Allowed, in a loud voice, don't talk aloud. 2. Adopt, to take up, they had adopted an orphan girl. Adapt, adjust, I have adapted myself to my new environment. 3. Alter, to change, the dress does not fit me, I need to alter it. Altar, place of worship, we kept the picture at the altar. 4. Berth, the bed in a train, let women sit on the lower berth. Birth, the time when a baby is born, I never forget her birthday. 5. Brake, a device for slowing or stopping a moving vehicle, the brakes of my car are working quite well. Break, separate into pieces, be careful. Don't break the crockery. 6. Dose, a quantity of any medicine or drug taken at one time, you should take 1 dose of this medicine each day. Doze, light sleep, the boy dozed off on the bed. 7. Dyed, a natural or synthetic substance used to color something. My uncle has dyed his hair red. Died, stop living, the cat died yesterday. 8. Hair, fine thread-like strands growing from the skin. Rinki has long hair. Hare, an animal, the hare and the tortoise had a competition. 9. Heal, make or become sound or healthy again. Don't worry, the wound will heal. Heel, the back part of the foot below the ankle. My heel hurts after running fast. 10. Loose, not firmly or tightly fixed in a place. Be careful, the screw is loose and the parts might come off. Lose, to be unable to find something. Don't lose your notebook again. 11. Prey, an animal hunted and killed by another for food, the lion hunts its prey. Pray, address a prayer to God or any other person, we should pray regularly. 12. Piece, a portion of an object, give me only 1 piece of cake. Peace, freedom from disturbance, let us spread peace all over the world. 13. Quite, absolutely or completely, I am quite settled in my life. Quite, making little or no noise, children, be quiet, don't make a noise. 14. Root, a part of a plant below ground that acts as a support. The root of a plant provides it water and minerals. Route, a way or course taken in getting from a starting point to a destination. The route was diverted as a procession was going on. 15. Story, a part of a building comprising all rooms that are on the same level. There are 11 stories in this building. Story, an account of imaginary or real events. This book has many interesting stories. 16. Sell, hand over in exchange for money. I will sell me watch. Cell, a device used for current generation. Volta invented the electric cell. 17. Stare, look fixedly at someone or something with eyes wide open. My pastime is to stare at the sky and think. Stair, a set of fixed steps. The stairs were very broad. 18. There, a place or position. There in the pond, you will see some water birds. There, belonging to them, their house is near the temple. 19. Week, a period of 7 days. The clerk applied for 1 week leave. Weak, not physically strong, he became weak after the illness. 20. Weight, measure of how heavy somebody or something is. The baby's weight is 10 kilograms. Wait, to stay where one is until someone comes or something happens. I will wait for her to come. 21. Waste, to use more of something than is necessary or useful. Don't waste water. Waist, the area around the middle of the body. During flood, the water was almost to the level of our waist. Like, share, and subscribe.